In this video, we'll show you how to predefine your products and services in Scoro. As a result, you'll be able to automate sales and finance document creation. For example, by providing your team with a list of services to choose from, you ensure a uniform approach when quoting customers. The price and cost information is automatically pre-filled, enabling you to standardize pricing and maximize the chances of securing the expected margin for each project. By predefining your product list, you also gain the ability to learn from the past and can evaluate which services consistently generate the highest profit margin. Let's dive in and learn how to set up your service list in just 3 steps. Step 1. Add services to Scoro. It's time to create a product list in Scoro. Start by naming your service, and we'll show you how to fill in the rest of the product card in the next steps. Step 2. Set the selling price. Our customers most commonly use flat fee and hourly rate pricing. Let's explore each option so you can choose the best fit for your business. Flat fee pricing is a strategy where you charge a fixed amount for an established, repeatable service that requires roughly the same effort, regardless of who the customer is. Suppose you frequently sell a logo design service that typically includes the same deliverables. You can save time on scoping by converting it to a fixed rate package instead. To add details for your fixed rate service, use the product card. Choose pieces as the unit of measurement, set the quantity to 1, and enter the selling price. Hourly rates are used when the total price depends on how much time is needed to deliver a service. You can use service-based hourly rates and role-based hourly rates in Scoro. Use service-based hourly rates if the selling price depends on the service you provide, not the team member who delivers the job. For example, a copywriting service may have an hourly rate of $120, regardless of whether a senior or a junior copywriter is involved in performing the work. To set up service-based hourly rates in Scoro, select hours as the unit. Set the quantity to 1 and add a selling price. Use role-based hourly rates if the service price depends on the skill set or seniority of the team member who carries out the work. In this case, a creative agency may charge $120 per hour for a senior copywriter versus $100 for the work of a junior. When using role-based pricing, use the product card to add hours as the unit of measurement and set the quantity of 1. Leave the selling price fields blank and set up roles and role prices instead. Step 3. Define default cost. Lastly, you can also set the default cost for each service to automate cost estimation and keep an eye on the margins when creating quotes. For in-house services, the default cost is the hourly labor cost of the teammate delivering the work. You can set up both individual and role-based labor costs in Scoro. If the same person or role always works on the service, add them as a default doer in the product card. For outsourced services, use the product card to specify the buying price, the amount you expect to pay your supplier. This way, your margin will be automatically calculated when quoting the service to clients. To recap, creating a product list in Scoro will help you automate document creation and provide you with instant business performance insights. To optimize your setup, start with a service list, set the selling prices, and include costs to monitor your profit margins.